Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make some quick, efficient, easy, and cheap power bars / protein bars. These are all the ingredients I use, plus you can throw anything in you like to, it's extra. This is just a power-packed nutrient bar. So what you add to it is completely your choice. Today I'm showing you what I put in mine. For this small batch today, I'm going to add about 1.5 scoops of oatmeal. Oatmeal is always my basis, always my staple, between oatmeal and peanut butter and protein powders. Walnuts, any nuts. I use walnuts, pecans, almonds, anything you want to add to it, go right ahead. We've got a lot of healthy fats here, healthy oils. Plenty of fiber. Throw the dry, rough ingredients into a blender and blend it up until it's fairly fine, or to whatever texture you would like it. You might like yours a little bit, maybe a little more coarser than I do. Alright, now we're going to mix everything together. When you dump these into the bowl, you can see it's a little wet. That's because of the oils and the fats that were in the walnuts. If you add raisins to it, which I do love it, they're going to stick as well, especially inside of your blender. I'm adding about 6 tablespoons full of peanut butter. Then start adding the rest of your ingredients to this. I'm not adding a whole lot of protein powder right here because it's very dry. If your mixture ends up dry in the end, when you finish with it, you can add some more honey. If it's too wet, you can always add more protein powder or more oatmeal to it to help it thicken up a little bit. That's cinnamon. The only thing I didn't add in this batch on this video was unflavored gelatin. Now if you add unflavored gelatin to your mix, that will help it become a little more firm. It will stand up more like a candy bar or a regular protein bar than it will without it. Collagen is just one of my additives. It also adds a little bit of protein to the mix. Of course, honey. Then take your mixture, put it in the microwave. For this small batch, I do about 90 seconds. Sometimes I stop it halfway and stir, but we're going to let it run. Now, peanut butter is nice and soft, so stir your mixture together. As I said before, if it's too dry at this point, just add some more honey. Or you could add a little more peanut butter and put it back in the microwave. It's totally your choice. Mine was a little bit dry, so I'm going to add some more honey to it. And we are pretty much done. Stir it up. Pour it into a container of your choice. Then press it down firmly. You can put a layer of wax paper on top of this and store it in your refrigerator, or you can store it as it is. You can cut it into bars later and eat it section by section. I didn't bother to do a nutrient breakdown on this video because I didn't measure my ingredients. You can do it however you wish, but keep in mind that these ingredients have a lot of carbohydrates in it, a good amount of protein as well, so just be very mindful of that. If you're trying to lose weight, this is not a very good idea to snack on. However, if you're an endurance athlete, you hike, run, bike, you burn a lot of calories during the day, for me this is an excellent choice. And there you have it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.